Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Hope you will be enjoying your 3D journey. So let's get started. Today we will learn how to assign different texture to different parts of a single model. And also we will texture the vase we modeled previously. Let's go to Shading tab, then select Vase and press on the new button below. In the tab here some options will pop up. This basically control the properties of our object. Select the color region and give a light greeny color to the vase. Now select the plant and go to Edit mode by pressing tab. Here select the mirror sphere region and press on the option in the region beside the name bar. After pressing on the assign it to the new region that we just created and press on the new button to give it texture. This is basically it for today's tutorial. Hope you have learned something and stay connected. See you in the next vid. Also press Alt-H to unhide the objects that we hided.